he looks. One. Two handles. Yeah, the side's loose. It looks like we might be able to get it flipped over. Let's see what happens. Okay, we got it flipped over. Had to use two hands, no camera. Everything looks pretty good. It's just a couple of the electronic melted, frozen into the ice. So I had to take that out. That runs the trolling motor and the fish finder. And so now that we got it flipped over, we're gonna go get the four-wheeler out, winch it out to the road or the driveway, and then we're gonna put it on the trailer. Okay, we got the wheeler down, we got the cable stretched out. As you can tell, doesn't quite reach. So little modifications, two ratchet straps, and we'll get this thing winched out of here on the trailer and start working on it. Okay, she's in. Now that it's on the trailer, covered up, we'll probably get 3 feet of snow, but what are you gonna do? At least we can work on it. I put 2 new bunks on it. If you can see them right there. See if I could help make it a drive-on trailer. But I gotta do some adjustments because these back bunks aren't even hitting in the front. So we'll make some of them adjustments. Works pretty good. So now I'll put carpet on the front bunks and we'll be good. And then we're gonna replace the bearing buddies. I had one blow out, never seen that before. Alright, so we got the bunks adjusted. And we get the carpet on there. And it's gonna work out good. So let's just hope the ice melts early. And thank you for watching, and I will be back with another video on setting up the inside of my boat. Thanks for watching.